Save time and money on your next air handler installation using the new Duro Dyne Dyna-Tite strut kit. This kit includes everything you need for the installation, conveniently packaged in an easy-to-carry box. The kit includes two 36-inch pieces of strut with protective end caps and sound-deadening anti-vibration material for the air handler to sit on. It comes with 4 Dyna-Tite high tensile wire rope cables and 4 Dyna-Tite strut locks to complete the installation. There are 2 different options for end fixings. The 2 options of Dyna-Tite cables are eyelet cables to be used with 2-inch wood screws or threaded studs to be used with dual wood hangers. The cables are available in either 10 feet or 15 feet. The strut lock easily hand tightens into place onto the strut with a strut nut and washer. Push down the release cylinders and insert the cable. Once you have the strut in the desired location and the equipment level, tighten the release cylinder to lock it in place. Remove the excess cable and the suspension of the air handler is complete.